Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Adyen Payment Platform. Review my global e-commerce payments experience. Adyen Payment Platform offers a comprehensive suite of payment solutions for businesses of all sizes, particularly those operating in global e-commerce. It aims to simplify and streamline accepting payments online, in-app, and at physical points of sale, supporting various payment methods and currencies. Key features include fraud prevention tools, revenue optimization features, and unified commerce capabilities. Their website provides detailed information on their offerings. Adyen emphasizes a single platform approach, promising simplified operations and a unified view of transactions across all channels. They highlight scalability and flexibility, allowing businesses to adapt to evolving market demands. While specific pricing isn't readily available on their website, they emphasize transparent pricing and no hidden fees. Adyen positions itself as a more robust and feature-rich alternative to traditional payment gateways and processors. Availability depends on your business location and specific needs, and you can typically request a demo or contact their sales team for more information. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Adyen. Getting started involved a consultation with their sales team and completing an application process. While it wasn't instant, it was relatively smooth. Once approved, setting up my account and integrating it with my e-commerce platform was surprisingly straightforward thanks to their well-documented API and helpful support documentation. Navigating the Adyen dashboard is intuitive. I could easily view transaction details, generate reports, and manage different payment methods. I specifically tested processing payments with various credit cards, Apple Pay, and even some local payment methods like Adyen. All worked seamlessly. The transaction processing speed was consistently fast, which is crucial for a positive customer experience. I was particularly impressed by the real-time data and reporting features, providing valuable insights into my sales performance. I did have a quick question about customizing the checkout flow, and their support responded within a day via email with clear instructions. The standout feature for me was definitely the unified commerce aspect, making it easier to reconcile payments from online and offline channels. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve involved in mastering the advanced features of the platform, like the risk management rules. It took me a little while to get used to those. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Adyen. While there's a slight learning curve, the platform's robustness, flexibility, and comprehensive features make it a powerful tool for businesses looking for a streamlined global payment solution. That's my overview of Adyen Payment Platform. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.